Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to run commands in the background on Linux. So in order to do it, of course, we have to open our terminal, so I will press on show apps and press on terminal. And right here, how do we run command in the background? At the beginning I will show you that, so we have to type in command, basically command and ampersand. This is the sign. If you press Shift and 7 on your keyboard, this sign will appear. And I will show some examples on sleep function, because sleep function basically does nothing, and I can set the time how long it will run, so it is very easy. So basically I can run something like this, sleep for example 1000 and ampersand. That means that I will run the sleep 1000 command in the background. As you can see, I press enter. Right here we have process ID. And how do we display processes that are in the background? We can do it by jobs command. So as you can see, I have my process running in the background. And right now, how can I, for example, I will run something like this. Sleep 1000, and right now this sleep command is running in the foreground. How do I switch it and basically put this process in the background? So I can do something like this. I have to press Ctrl and Z on my keyboard in order to stop this process. And right now I have to type something like this, B and G, that means background. Maybe I will show you for right now jobs. I have this process that I started before, and this process that I stopped with Ctrl and Z right there is still stopped and is not in the background because it don't have this ampersand sign. So how do I switch it and how do I put this process in the background? I can do it basically by typing out BG, that means background, as I said before, the process sign and the number that I have right here. So I have 2, so I have to type in 2. And press enter, and as you can see, I switch my sleep 1000 process to a background. So I can right now again type in jobs, and as you can see, I have 2 processes running, and both are in the background. And right now, how do I switch it again? So for example, I want to this second process to run in the foreground again. So how do I do it? Basically, I have to type in F and G. That means foreground, and again percent sign, and for example 2 or 1, it doesn't really matter, but I can press enter, and as you can see, my process is still in the, it's not still in the background, but it's right now in the foreground. And again I can do something like this, and as you can see, my process is stopped, and again I can switch it in order to have it in the background. So this is really useful. Of course, I can, for example, run some commands. For example, ls. If I run in the background, it doesn't really make a sense because this command executes in milliseconds. So, as you can see, it is done very, very fast, but it is useful. For example, if you want to run some scripts, so for example, script that we could take, or algorithms that takes several minutes to finish, so to not waste the time, so, and wait in the terminal, you can basically start it in the background, so it is useful in that cases. And that's basically all I wanted to say in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next ones.